To online classes student, today we are going to start our next topic, right? The part 2 of multiplication, chapter 4. In this chapter we are going to learn how to do with carrying sum, right? In a multiplication we have done carry sum in subtraction and addition, right? Now we are going to do here how to do in a multiplication in 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and how to do in when we have 20, 40, 90, 100, some other sums, right? They have 0. So start from this 2-digit number. So hope everybody learn their table on the other tips. 3 8s are 24. So we will write 4 here and 2 here. I'm going to repeat it. 3 8s are 24. The last digit ones we will take here and tens will be go there, right? 2 will be go as carry. 3 ones are 3 and 2 carry, we will plus this. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 2 equal to 5. The answer will be 5. So this one is the product of 3 into 18 into 3. It's a product of this sum. Another example for you, beta. See, again we start from ones, right? 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18. We will take 8 here and 1 as carry. 2 tens, right? First, in the first step we always solve the ones. In the second step we always solve the tens. So in the first we solve the ones and then given the carry to the other, right? 2 tens. We always start from our right section, from ones, and then go left, then left. If there is 100 we go left, then if there is a 4-digit number we will go on 1000, right? So you can see what we have done here. 3 6 are 18, 8 here and 1 as carry here. 3 4s are 12, 12 and 1, 12 and 1 we plus. 2 and 1 3 and 1, it's become 13. So here will be 13. So this is the product of 46 into 3. 46 multiplied by 3, right? This is your we can say this is your 2-digit number here. Okay, now come to 3-digit number. In the 3-digit number, as we done in 2-digit number, we will also start from ones, right? 5 2s are 10. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carry to tens, right? 2 1s are 2 and 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3, right? Then 2 multiplied by 100. 2 3s are 6. So the product is 630. Today we are doing only multiplying by 1 digit. Tomorrow we will do the 2-digit multiplier, right? With the 2-digit multiplying. Next, one more example of 3-digit number. 9 2s are 18, right? 9 2s are 18. 8 will be here and 1 will be here. Then again 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 will be here and 1 go to as carry to 100, right? So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and 1 carry plus 1 equal to 5. So here will be 5. Your product will be 598. This is how we done the 3-digit multiplication, right? In the first one we have done 315 by 2, and in the next we have done 299 by 2. So here we can say there is a one example of 1 carry and there is example of 2 carry. How we take the 2 carry, right? I will explain it again for you. 2 9s are 18, 8 will be here, and 1 go to the carry to 9, right? 1 here carry. 2 9s are 18 and 1 19. I have plus here, right? 18 plus 1 19, 9 will be here and 1 go to carry to 100, right, on 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 and 1 5. Here is your answer. Now come to a one other part. Okay, if we have sum like this, what we have to do? We have to think logical. How? We have to take this only, right? We have to multiply this only. 3 2s are 6 and take carry here. It's become 60. Take this only. 3 4s are 12. Take 0 here. 120. And then come to here. We multiply these only. 3 9s are 27. And 0 will be here. So it's become 270. Okay. Come to other 6. We will multiply these only. Okay, 6 1s are 6 and 2 0 will be here. It become 600. See, we have only multiply these two. 6 1s are 6 and then 6 will be here and 2 0 go to this side. Okay, come to another point. If there will be 11 12 13 23 24, when we multiply with this sum, it will be same 11, right? 2 0 will be here. See how we done. Now on the last one, 91 multiply 10, right? What we will do? We will multiply this by 1, right? 91 will be here and 0 will be here. So answer is 910. So you can see here how to do the multiply sum by those who have 0 on their last, in their last. So we can see this. 2 multiply 20, 3 multiply 20 equal to 60. How we done this? Firstly, just we have to multiply these two, right? 3 2s are 6. 6 will be here and 0 will be go there. Very easy, right? So this is our today video, multiplication with carry ones. Thank you, students.